Uh, Good afternoon. Peter po ito from Gets Pharma. Doc, share ko lang po sa inyo, Doc, chemistry of our success. Doc, Gets Pharma is one of the 23 quality control laboratories in the world, Doc. Pre-qualified the World Health Organization. Kaya, Doc, for those patients na nabigyan mo na ng Gets Pharma products, thank you very much po since they are now experiencing the world-class quality being recognized by the World Health Organization. And with that, Doctor, we are continuously investing state-of-the-art technology, systems, people, and even facilities. Doc, hingin ko lang po sana yung konting time ni Doctor. With this, Doc, 1 plus 1 is equals to minus 20.
Ano niya?
Ayan. Doc, narinig mo na yan or nabasa mo na? Hindi pa, Doc. Doc, actually, Doc, 1 plus 1 equals minus 20. It is the new standard for risk reduction, Doc. Siyempre. Doc, share ko lang. I believe, Doc, alamin na po yung tungkol sa bagay na to, yung sa Cure Study. Doc, yung mga, with Cure Study, patients who have ACS, Doctor, without ST segment elevation, for patients for about 12,562, presented within 24 hours, Doctor. The onset symptoms were randomly assigned. Doc, yung 6,259 patients. Ayan. Were given 300 milligrams of clopidogrel immediately, followed by 75 milligrams once daily. Doc, ano lang refresh lang natin. Medyo alam na mo to. And Doc, yung remaining 6,303 patients, 2 placebo naman. In addition of aspirin, Doctor, for about 3 to 12 months. Doc, yung outcome po ng study, comparing clopidogrel plus aspirin versus placebo, demonstrates 20% risk reduction. Kaya po, yes, Doc. Kaya, Doc, dyan po pumapasok yung 1 plus 1, 1 is for clopidogrel and 1 is for aspirin, is 20% risk reduction. Doc, in addition to that, Doc, i-add ko lang po, Doctor, yung treatment with clopidogrel reduce the risk of MI and recurrent ischemia with a trend toward lower rates of stroke and death from cardiovascular causes. Doc, yung benefits naman were observed were in addition to those aspirin, which was recommended for all patients, including the blocking of the ADP, Doctor, receptor pathway that with clopidogrel leads to further benefit. Doc, last na lang. Yung anti-platelet agent clopidogrel has beneficial effects in patients with ACS, syndromes without ST segment elevation. However, Doctor, there is a major bleeding is increased among patients treated with clopidogrel. Doc, question lang po. With regards dito sa last na paragraph, paano yun, Doc? Pagka kunyari, kailangan talaga ng clopidogrel. Sabi kasi dyan, Doc, the risk of major bleeding is increased among patients treated with clopidogrel. Pero pag kailangan talaga ng clopidogrel, paano yun
Kasi habang, kasi dalawang anti-platelet na yung aspirin at clopidogrel. So kung i-compare mo siya sa aspirin, siyempre yung dalawang anti-platelet, mas marami siyang bleeding compared sa aspirin.
Yes,
So habang nagdadagdag ka ng anti-platelet, talagang tumataas
yung risk ng bleeding.
Pero usually naman yung benefits niya outweigh the risk. So binibigyan pa rin natin.
Binibigyan pa rin. Kesa naman siya, ang tawag, Doc, diba yung baka magkaroon ng yun nga po, ACS. Doc, thank you for the information. Kaya, Doc, yung 1 plus 1 minus 20 natin, the new standard for risk reduction. Doc, sa mga succeeding patients mo, baka po sakali, Doctor, makakonsider niyo po, Doctor, yung ating Norplat test. Doc, si Norplat is priced at 34 pesos po, Doctor. Mercury Avail. Doc, lalo na, Doc, pagka at least sila ng MI or even stroke, Doc, malamang, Doc, mataas ang cholesterol niya. Promote ko na rin, Doctor, yung ating Rosa Vascular Vista. Robust lowering LDLs, Doc, across all doses, 5, 10, and 20. Hypertensive malamang, Doc. Siyempre, pag kailangan ng losartan, Doc, meron tayong GetSAR. 50, 100, Doc, tsaka yung combination GetSAR plus and 100 by 25. Last na lang, Doc. Yung ating Nibivolol, Doc. UB. Breaking boundary pa rin, Doc, sa mga younger hypertensive patients. 5 milligrams and 2.5 milligrams. Ayan, Doc. Lahat, Doc, mag-grabe. Thank you very much po, Doc. Ayan.